Alright, we're getting ready to go here. Oh, I see more people out there now.
Yeah.
I think they probably came last night. Anyways, yeah, we live in this beautiful place. It looks like it's a little bit of sun coming out today. It looks nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah, getting ready to go. We always leave it clean like this. And we're heading down to... What's the name of the place we're going to? Phang Nga. Let's go.
Welcome to RicanThaiFamily with Nuch, TK and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with RicanThaiFamily.
Alright, we're getting ready to go here. Oh, I see more people out there now.
Yeah.
I think they probably came last night. Anyways, yeah, we live in this beautiful place. It looks like it's a little bit of sun coming out today. It looks nice.
About the future.
Future. The beautiful, beautiful morning over here. Just finished our breakfast, getting ready to go. Bring the rest of the bags down and head out to the next destination.
You food, you have a lot of food.
Right before, what do you call that place? What do you call that place down there?
Phang Nga.
What's the other one?
Phuket.
Phuket. Right goes Phuket. Phang Nga. We got, I spoke about this yesterday, looking for hotels and that. We got a really, looks like a really nice hotel. We'll see when we get there. For a good, very good deal. It's incredible. 6,000 baht for 4 nights. 6,000. For some people that might be a lot still. But I don't know. For us it's okay. Better than what we've been paying. We pay 8,000 here for 2 nights. Yeah, I know. They got me. But I mean, it's right on the beach and it's beautiful. 8,000 baht for here, yeah. Yeah, we pay 8,000.
4,000 baht for night.
Yeah, that's too much. I think Nuch is buying the whole store. She's buying some something to take back to the States. Some shirts or dresses, whatever you want to call them. And take them back to her mother-in-law and my aunt Jenny.
ชุดขายของไม่แปลก
แล้วนี่ไม่ได้หรอกค่ะ
ป้าเคยรู้มาซื้อมา
25ปะเนาะ Yeah I want to put the price down
Let's go, hurry up.
You see, I tell you, they still use it.
You use them to get the coconut. Wow, did you get it?
Yeah.
I want that pet monkey
You can't have a pet monkey.
What is that monkey doing there?
He's gonna use them so he can go up the tree and get coconut.
Only over here, they're from the south.
Oh, but I never seen him on a motorbike. I know, I seen him doing that, but I never seen him a monkey. A monkey on a motorbike.
Oh, you're driving motorbike.
See the pig? There. Hello, pig. Oh, your skin not look good. What happened?
Yeah, they have like different patterns, huh?
Traffic.
Oh, we're still moving. That guy passed me before
You
in
have-
the area. Look, now he's stuck in the back.
You have to go the left.
I'll do it up there. Or if I see a chance. The chicken. Here's more monkeys. They're just hunting all over the place. No, you're gonna get the chicken or what?
No, this one no.
Yeah, this one look good.
No, they put long time.
I guess we'll continue on then. Oh, there's people crossing the street. Okay, come on. Let's go. That guy was driving crazy anyways. I think we're good now. Still on the way. We have 3 more hours and 25 minutes to go.
Okay.
Hey, what do you call it? Tell people what it is.
Yeah, you see the
Look at
cow?
this cow first.
There. Oh, beautiful cow.
Yeah.
So I stopped. They sell like coconut jelly.
On the side of the road. The
Yeah,
highway.
the highway.
That is good.
Mhm.
What do they do? They make it into a jelly?
Yeah. I put the open one coconut, yeah, and later they put the jelly inside and some sugar inside. Coconut meat, coconut water, mix with hot water. Right, later they cool down, they put inside here, inside coconut. Let it get ready.
That is good.
Very good.
You like it?
No too much, but okay.
I tasted it. It tastes good. I don't know
Where
what
is
you're
that
talking
food?
about.
Too much for me, I think. They sell 3 for 100 baht. And you buy one, she sell for 40 baht. I say, okay, I only one, I want to try, you know.
Let's put it like that. It's already done, but they said going out.
Okay.
Two hours left. We'll be there.
See the mountain? Beautiful. Why you have to look?
Funny the way you said it. You see the mountains? Beautiful.
Mountain.
The mountains. Beautiful.
You see that? Coconut tree.
Sound like somebody I see on YouTube. Obvious, everything obvious I say. Like Captain Obvious, huh? You see the coconut trees.
There, banana.
There, banana trees.
You see the bus?
This is going to Phuket, and this come from Suratani to Phuket.
Yeah.
To Baht. We made it finally. Man, that felt like a long trip. Even though it was how many hours?
5.
5 hours.
What about 60 hours?
And it's late too. It's 4 o'clock already. Dark, like it's gonna be night soon.
What's the cloud up and not the sky, or not the sun?
I understand. I know.
Yeah, there's a long over there. See that?
Oh, is that the restaurant that we saw? Does it look like it's open?
They're open. I see car inside there.
Good. So yeah, this will be around the corner,
You see the pizza?
and around the other corner.
Well, that's the big one.
Wow, there's the ocean. I've never been to that ocean. What's the name of it? Andaman.
Andaman.
Oh,
Wow.
The water no clear.
really?
Good, no.
About the sand. The sand look good?
The sun look good.
Where is this
Look at
place?
south.
I think this.
South waters.
This place?
Yeah, this
Oh
one.
yeah, it is this place.
Yeah.
It does not look like the pictures, no. I
That's
told
nice,
you.
Mom.
Wow, it's wet. There's nobody. That's why it was so cheap.
Yeah, right there.
Not so it's 1,700 for night.
Oh, it's cheaper than what we've been
Go
paying.
in there.
That's it say? Go in? You
Take-
sure?
Later come back over here.
That's stupid. Oh,
You have reached your destination.
nakura.
Kuka.
Chapkung Kaptik, I said. Oh man, it's gonna be rainy too. Oh, that's a big room, huh? Oh, look at the pool. Yeah, I'll be happy here.
Well, we got the total.
You like that? They put that for you, Papa.
This is a big bag.
Yeah. Look at that. That's our pool.
The pool is right there.
I told you.
I'm not going to swim now, Papa. But I can't
Later,
swim.
later, no later.
Wow, I don't feel that. That's
Yeah,
too
it's
far.
nice. This is nice. Alright, I'm happy with this.
Oh, there, but look.
Huh?
Look there. You can ride a motorcycle there.
Huh?
See over there? Oh, what is big stairs?
Oh, okay.
Oh, my goodness.
แล้วก็ตัวนี้จะเป็นพัดลม Wi-Fi ตัวนี้สามารถใส่ในเล็กข้างได้เลยเขาต้องเป็นตัวหน้าคนกดศูนย์ถ้าติดต่อไม่ได้คือหาดูนี้ก็จะรับวิสิตที่ข้างบนกดชักกาแฟอยู่ในตู้เข้าที่จะเข้าในการไลฟ์ฟิวนะคะ
อบคุณค่ะ
No, it's okay.
ฝากให้น้องคนนี้ค่ะso
Pretty place. So we're gonna have, I guess it's dinner. We didn't really have lunch, so we're gonna have dinner. And then go back to the room and sleep. I'm tired. I know. Alright.